So this particular crypto could be primed for another big run up. It's already had a nice run up here in the last 3 months, and it's in a sector that altogether has had a massive, massive growth period here to start 2023. That is the AI sector, artificial intelligence. A lot of different crypto projects and big data projects launching in the AI space. This one, though, in particular, has a big date coming up in April, and they partnered with another crypto that I hold and love. That is Cardano. And that is why this AI token is now in my portfolio. We're also going to dive into why AGIX, Singularitynet, could be a crypto to watch for years to come. So let's dive in, not waste any more time. So here's the price action. We're actually seeing a nice little surge here today in the overall market. Bitcoin up to about 28,400 at the time of this recording. Singularitynet, one of the top movers right now in the last 24 hours. It's ranked number 87. It's inside the top 100. I like to look there first in terms of looking at new altcoins that I want to add to my portfolio. I've been eyeing this one for a while, and I finally got to a price point I liked. I picked some up here, and there's a reason why. They are doing some things very, very different. Now, if we just, before we dive into what they're doing and what this partnership with Cardano looks like, let me take you outside of this for just a second. So if you just go top AI crypto projects on Google, you'll pull up this link right here, CoinMarketCap, and you can see where we're at. So the graph is number one. It's got a market cap of 1.2 billion, render token just above Singularitynet, right around 485 million. Big drop off here. These are sub $500 million market caps right now. Singularitynet right there, ranked number 87. AGIX sitting at a $476 million market cap. I do think all three of these here will be multi-billion dollar projects. Altogether, this entire market cap of this AI big data space is around 5.5 billion. Okay. And the entire sector, again, has been exploding here in 2023. AGIX has already rallied. If we take a look at their chart, you can kind of see what's happened here year to date. You can see we came down from 4 cents, guys, at the start of the year. We were down here at 4 cents. And it got as high here just a month and a half after that, all the way up to 64 cents. Now, right now, we're trading at about 40 cents, about a 4x from January. And I still think this is a crypto that has a lot of moves in the future. And you can see where they came out. They came to market at a high market cap or high price, came back down, and now they're kind of just gaining their ground here. And you're slowly seeing adoption, slowly seeing more people come in. And there's a reason for that, because the asset's very unique in what they're doing. So they recently collaborated with Atrium Lab and Cardano. And this might be a reason why we're seeing a little bit of a surge here, up 7%, because they just recently announced, Singularitynet did, that they're hosting a Cardano meetup in Austin, Texas on April 28th. The event will feature a panel discussion from a ton of CEOs, including the CEO of Singularitynet and Diane Kraus, Chief of Strategy at Atrium Lab. So the collaboration is significant here for Singularitynet as it allows the platform to showcase its capabilities in the context of Cardano, one of the largest ecosystems in all of crypto. Of course, Cardano is a blockchain platform. It's a layer one. They've been around for a really long time, and they have a huge, huge positive reputation in the space for its focus on security and scalability. Two things Singularitynet also wants to focus on, making it an attractive partner for AGIX, a decentralized platform for AI services. So if you're unfamiliar what Singularitynet does, let me highlight that here for you at the tail end of this video. So through the Singularitynet marketplace, essentially all of us, the users, we can browse, test, and purchase a huge variety of AI services using the platform's native token. So you need to hold AGIX to get access to this. And it is a blockchain-powered platform that allows anybody to create, share, and monetize AI services thanks to the globally accessible AI marketplace. I'll tell you this, somebody who's working in a different sector, in the healthcare sector, that I know is working on a particular project with AI, this would be perfect for that. I don't want to give it away because they're still kind of at infancy stages, but very, very groundbreaking AI work being done in healthcare, okay? Having this right here, a blockchain-powered platform, allowing anybody to create, share, and monetize something in AI, a service they create, is huge. That's why Singularitynet, I think, is the glue that will essentially bring together AI and big data and blockchain. That's why AGIX, I think, is already a top 100 crypto and has a ton of potential. And you look at their team, they have an extensive team, largely made up of AI scientists, developers, researchers, engineers, very, very intelligent people who've been working in artificial intelligence for a very long time. They too see the connection between blockchain and AI. And that for me was enough for me to say this is fascinating. There's a reason why this is moving. I dove into it a little bit deeper and just wanted to bring you up to speed on this one. We've talked about it briefly on the channel before, but now they're coming up with this big event with Cardano. We covered their partnership. Just wanted to kind of revisit this. Let me know how you guys, what you guys think about this, and drop your comments, thoughts down below. What other AI crypto projects are you interested in? Always interested to hear what you think down below in the comments. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.